6 months ago, Figma was the undisputed king of design software. On its second day of trading, the stock hit 142. It was valued at over 85 billion. To put that in perspective, that is more than Ford and Ferrari combined. Today, it's trading at 27. That is an 80% drop in less than 6 months. We will dig deeper into what happened and see if we can learn something from the story. Figma's challenges extend beyond the economy. They stem from a shift in strategy regarding a vital part of their ecosystem, software engineers. To understand this shift, you have to understand the history. For 10 years, Figma had a superpower. It wasn't multiplayer or vector networks. It was this. It was free for developers. Designers did the work. They sent a link to an engineer. The engineer clicked it, inspected the design, and built the product. Cost? $0. This was the viral loop. It's why Sketch died. It's why InVision died. Figma was the default because it had zero friction. In 2025, ahead of their IPO, Figma reevaluated their pricing model. They noticed a significant detail about their user base. Wait, 30% of our active users are developers, and they aren't paying us anything. Enter Dev Mode. Designed as a specialized workspace for coding, it also placed previously free features behind a new paywall. Figma moved inspection tools to a $35 a month tier. Critics compared this to charging for read-only access in other collaborative tools. This monetization of basic tools caused friction. Engineering managers began to reconsider their tool sets. One online post mentions, "We used to have 200 devs on Figma. Now we have 5. We just screenshot the designs." This shift interrupted the viral loop. Disconnecting this loop can weaken the network effect that drove their initial growth. Amidst these challenges, Figma turned its attention to AI for the sake of AI. They shipped Make Me a Design buttons, but professionals don't use this. We have design systems. These features appear designed to bolster the IPO narrative rather than addressing immediate user needs. Resources were poured into AI generation, while the developer experience remained fragmented. And that brings us to the existential threat. While Figma was fighting to charge for a ruler, the world invented a 3D printer. This is Gemini. This is Claude. I don't need to inspect padding. I give the AI a screenshot, and it gives me the code and the design. Handoff is dying. If AI writes the code, Figma's dev mode is obsolete. They are selling a horse-drawn carriage in the year of the Model T. Figma assumed the workflow was locked in. But in a collaborative industry, limiting access for developers can have long-term consequences. And when limiting access has the implication of making people move away to vibe-coded design too, that seems to be the end of the story. Let me know in the comments. Has your team upgraded to dev mode, or have you found other workflows? See you in the next one.